Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Silverado. We're going to be showing you how to install the Pro Clip center mount number 855456. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it here and here. Now you'll want to peel the covering off that tape before you attach the mount to the dash. And if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, that tape is designed so that it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all is make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach into this front faceplate that surrounds the vent here. It's going to be right inside on both the left and right hand sides. So the first side we're going to do is this little channel that's cut out here on the right hand side. We're going to insert into the vent just so that it's around the back of that faceplate. Once that's in place, you're going to want to take your thumbs and press the mount into place so that it snaps in on the left hand side. Once it's in place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom Pro Clip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.